Today we're gonna make a Demerara Dry Float.
With 151?
Everything has to have 151 to be good.
I don't even know if this stuff's that strong, but we're gonna find out.
He might drink it straight if you keep watching. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan and Derek are gonna make you a drink called the Demerara Dry Float. It's kind of like a tiki recipe.
Yes. Cool.
It kind of falls into that category.
Is it down in the Beachcomber recipe?
I don't think it is.
No?
It is, yes, because you read the history of it.
Oh, no. I just know this shit right off the top of my head.
1941,
Boom.
Don the Beachcomber created this recipe. So here's how you're going to build it. This is going to be, shake everything except for 151. So you're going to add your ingredients into a shaker. You're going to shake them all. You're going to throw them in a double old-fashioned glass with some fresh ice. Then you're going to float some 151 on top. And then, and only then, are you going to serve it. That's really the story. That's all there is to it. There's probably more history to it that I didn't write down because I was just running around trying to make recipes, get them all ready. So that happened. This month, because it's July. Oh, the last recipe I was supposed to say was Father's Day, but whatever.
Oh.
Or not Father's Day, 4th of July.
4th of
Father's
July.
Day is tomorrow. Tomorrow, if tomorrow was Saturday.
Tomorrow, yeah. Don't worry about it.
But here's the recipe breakdown. It's an ounce of Demerara rum, a quarter ounce of the 151 Demerara rum, a quarter ounce of maraschino liqueur, 2.5 ounces of fresh lime juice, a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, an ounce and a half of passion fruit syrup, and 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Now we're gonna follow it because that's what Don Beach did. My personal opinion, and if you're like this is too fucking complicated, just skip the simple syrup and just add a little extra passion fruit syrup. The downfall to that is passion fruit tends to have a little bit of tanginess to it.
It does.
And it might not be as sweet. But on a pinch, I mean, it's a quarter ounce of simple syrup.
Yeah, like we've said this in other videos. What's a quarter ounce gonna do? Sometimes something, sometimes nothing.
So we're using Liber Co. Demerara gum syrup. You can use standard simple syrup if you want to make it. If you want to make your own Demerara syrup, you can use carbonata sugar. You can use sugar in the raw. There's another example of this. This is probably highlights another thing that you'll notice a lot of bartenders from the 40s did. Is this maraschino liqueur?
Maraschino's shit.
We drink ourselves a lot of maraschino liqueur around here.
Maraschino's good.
Hey, you know what? Funny thing happened the other day. Has nothing to do with maraschino liqueur. I got an email and somebody asked me, I want to visit your bar on my vacation this year. Like thinking I had a physical bar. Like this is
you have a physical bar.
This is in my basement.
You just don't have a bar.
Yeah. Like there's no patrons. Like, there's no places to sit. I don't serve anything and I don't take money. Well, I take money.
Oh yeah, we could take money.
Yeah. Patreon.com/CMC is a good place to start. Speaking of which, our executive producer, Salvatore Guerrero, also a YouTube channel member. You can click the join button and join Salvatore and like the 6 others that you know, for a channel with like, I don't know how many subscribers I have, but I have that plaque. So it's at least 100,000.
All right, we floating this thing out there?
Yeah. You think that we'd be able to make more money. But we don't. Because we don't have anybody who watches the show. Just like 1,000 people.
Maybe that's what you should do is open your own bar.
Oh my god, then I have to work weekends? I'd rather drink with you guys.
Yeah. It always sounds like a good idea.
I hire really good people.
It kind of floated.
Yeah,
it floated.
That'll work. It has no choice but to work, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
I mean,
it's still kind of like
it looks
that
like
color.
No, yeah, but it's still got that nice.
It does look like orange
on
juice.
top of it, like that little thing is pretty cool. And here's the deal.
It's not a physical bar. Well, I mean, it is physically
You don't take money at the bar. It smells like a bar. Looks like a bar. Must be a bar. Donation. $13.99. Oh yes! You gotta have the 99 cents.
Yes. That's what makes it legit.
Yeah. This is gonna burn me, right? Because it's got 150.
Oh, can I light it on fire? Is that what you want me to do? Hold it up. No.
No, I don't want you to light it on fire.
No.
Then I'll have no hair on my eyebrows. Oh my god. Oh.
Is it really National Bourbon Day?
Is it? National Bourbon Day. I don't know. What is...
Woo!
Today? We didn't have. I didn't have any cocktails for National Bourbon Day because these videos don't come out until July 7th. Isn't it tasty even with the 151 on top?
It's yummy.
I didn't think it was gonna be yummy. I pushed this. Oh,
It's sweet.
This recipe. You can get it from Beachbum Berries Intoxica. I have that book around here. You can get it at Amazon.com. I'll put an affiliate link below if I can remember.
You could definitely do this without the Demerara.
Demerara.
Why? It's
syrup.
too sweet. You don't need it.
Oh, you mean just leave it out all the time?
Yeah, you could leave it out
You
if
think
you
it's
don't
that
have it. Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Because El Dorado has more sugar than probably this.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like you're using this.
Yeah. Even
Like,
this probably has
and I
sugar
mean,
in it.
and this is pretty sweet.
Yeah, the Liber Co is gonna be. I mean, it's sugar and passion fruit, right? So the sugar extracts all the passion fruit, and the lemon and lime come through.
It's
But-
still like it's a little bit sour.
Yeah.
It's got like a sour, sweet.
Most passion fruit drinks are gonna have a little bit of sour to them. We have another one coming up at the end of the month called the Cobra's Fang, and that is a 151 and passion fruit drink. Like there's no other rum in it. It's just 151. So another.
The
tiki
passion
drink.
fruit definitely comes through. I mean,
Yeah. So here's what I'm doing. I have curated a list of
That's good.
cocktails for this month so that I know what we're drinking next month.
sweet.
Like when we go to the pool, we drink, and we need to have.
That's good. It's
We drank all the rum.
it's a little.
A little what?
It's a little tart.
I thought you just said it was sweet.
Well, it's sweet and tart.
Yeah,
It's
it's a
like
sweet
it's
tart.
like it's like those little
That's
guys. But first they're sweet. They're like sour, and then they punch you in the eye, and then they're tart. Like it's tart in the back.
Sour Patch Kids.
Sour Patch Kids, yeah.
We need some citric acid for that. We'll put it around the top.
Yeah, you need something to kind of like.
I have some citric acid grains. No, I don't think you need those because I think that's what this is supposed to taste like.
No, definitely. I know a lot of the tiki drinks are.
Because it's like,
It's
you've
passion
had
fruit.
passion fruit, right?
Yeah.
It's not sweet. It's a lot of them can be almost unedible because
Yeah.
they're so sour. Like this obviously isn't that way because there's all this sugar involved. But I've had some really nice passion fruit that have like a sweet passion fruit flavor to them. Then there's something else from like Dominican or something. I don't know where they're from, but they're so sour. It's like biting into a lemon, and not an enjoyable experience.
Yeah, I mean it's a good drink.
But the thing is with lemon, it's always sour. You know lemon's sour.
Yeah.
With passion fruit, you're like, I don't know, 50-50. So it'll be
Well,
like,
you got a lot of lime in there. I mean,
I know, but like,
there's 2.5 ounces of lime.
oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh shit, you're right. It must be the lime. This is.
I mean, 2.5 ounces of lime's a lot.
Look, Aiden just gave us $10 in whatever A
And
is.
Alfred.
Um,
Alfred gave us 2.
and Alfred gave us 2 so that we can make a 20 bottle bar video.
Sweet.
So I guess we're gonna have to do it now.
We'll do
We're
that.
on the fucking hook. Like we're in.
We'll have to drink from each bottle.
Obviously.
I mean, might as well make it fun.
Right. So that, my friends, is I love the passion fruit flavor.
It's good.
It's
It
not
is
as tart
actually
as
really good.
I was afraid it was gonna be a little too tart. If it's too tart, here's your options. Like you're about to say, is tone down the lime juice.
You know what you could do? You could do 1.5 ounces of El Dorado. No Demerara.
Just add more
Just add more
rum.
alcohol.
Yeah. that does solve the problem.
This thing's only got 1 ounce of rum in it.
Yeah, but it's got 151 float on top. A little bit.
Yeah.
It's not too much.
I sucked that off.
It's already drank. It's like when you give Dan like a cupcake, he just scrapes all of this frosting off the top and hands you back the cake. He's like, this could use more sweet.
Yeah.
I can see where you're coming from. I'm fine with it as it is. I was more
Well,
worried.
Just drink it.
Oh, go ahead. LemonHart 151. Boom, put that in your mouth.
It can't be that bad.
Side note, sidebar, apparently LemonHart 151 is back in business, so we should be able to start to see it in the market more. You were wrong?
A little bit.
A little bit, yeah. It's a great rum.
Oof.
If
There
you
you
don't
go.
have it and you can't find it, you can try
It's
the
tasty,
Hamilton
though.
151. I always love when people suck like really potent things like bitters and high proof alcohol into their mouth. It's fun to watch. That's why I'm here. I'm just waiting for it to happen every time. So, my friends, tiki drink for you for this week. Now, there's going to be a sidebar. I'm going to throw some tiki drinks up there that I suggest. Maybe the second playlist might even be our fat passion fruit bitter playlist that I built that's just like a course on using.
Wait, can you buy some of this at your store?
You can buy it at AwesomeDrinks.com using Summer19 as a coupon code. It came up earlier because I could do that.
Can you buy that?
I can buy that. You can buy both of these.
You can buy both these things in your store?
You can buy them at my store. It's AwesomeDrinks.com. Yeah, isn't that awesome?
And you guys haven't done it yet?
Drinks.com.
What are you waiting for?
I have no idea. Don't wait! We're done!
Yes.
Teach you how to drink.